creepy designs. So in today's video, we are going to learn how to create a similar mouse over effect. So let's begin. So here, we are going to use this image. Okay. Alright. Now in the next step, we are going to insert the text box. Here. Now I'm going to cut this grouped image by pressing the Ctrl X key. Now I'll go to the format background, and here I'm going to select picture or texture fill, and here I'm going to select the clipboard, and automatically we have this image as our background image. And now I'm going to apply it to. In the next step, we are going to copy the same slide for around 7 times. So in all, we'll be having 8 slides. Okay, so now we have 8 slides. Now I'll go to the slide number 1. On the slide number 1, let's insert the shape rectangle. Here we are going to insert the shape rectangle like this. Okay, and now press Ctrl D to make the exact copy and place it adjacent to previous one, and press Ctrl D one more time. Now press Ctrl A to select all the rectangles. Shift them a little bit in the center and press Ctrl D to make the exact copy. Like this, press Ctrl D one more time so that we have whole slide covered with the rectangles. Okay. Now in the next step, we'll press Ctrl A to select all the rectangles. Shape outline is going to be no outline. Shape fill is going to be this gray fill. It's your choice. You can select any color. Alright, now in the next step, we have to give some mouse over command. So let's just select the first rectangle. In the action, we'll go to the mouse over, to the hyperlink, and here we'll go to the slide, and we are going to select the slide number 2. And then press OK button. Now in the next step, we will be selecting the second rectangle. Same step, action, mouse over, hyperlink to the next slide, that is slide number 3. Then again for the third rectangle, the action, mouse over, hyperlink to slide number 4. For this rectangle, action, mouse over, hyperlink, next slide to slide number 5, and then press OK. For this, action, mouse over, hyperlink to slide number 6. Yes, slide number 6. And for this, action, mouse over, hyperlink, slide and to slide number 7. Okay. For this rectangle, action, hyperlink, mouse over, right? Mouse click, none. Mouse over, hyperlink to slide number 8. For this rectangle as well, we will give mouse over to slide number 8. Now in the next step, we will be copying these rectangles by pressing the Ctrl C key, and then we are going to pasting them on our slide number 2, like this. Here we have to add one more thing. So we'll go to the Insert tab. In the Shape option, go to the Oval, and here on the left top corner, we are going to insert the oval like this here, and the shape outline is going to be no outline. Shape fill, we will go to the slide background fill like this. Okay, and here in the effect options, we will give it some soft edges, and let's increase the size of the soft edge like this. Easy. Now let's just select all the shapes together by pressing the Ctrl A key and then press Ctrl C key and move it to the slide number 3rd and press Ctrl V. Now this time we are going to move the oval to the top center like this. Okay, repeat the same step for the slide number 4 as well. Now to the slide number 8. We will be taking this oval over here and let's just increase its size like this. Alright, and if you want, you can add more slides for the more mouse over effect. Okay, so now let's have a preview for the same. So here you can see wherever my mouse pointer is going. Beautiful.